evening, everyone. I'm 10th grader Öykü Sadullahoğlu. Today, I'm going to tell you about the definition and damage of the earthquake and how to help the victims of earthquake. Now, I want you to think of a 3D puzzle with the shape of our planet Earth. And this puzzle has a surface with 20 pieces. These pieces move every single time, but when we touch it, we can feel it. Do you know why? Because it moves really slowly. Each of these puzzle pieces are called tectonic plates. Whenever these pieces bumps or slice from each other, an earthquake happens, which we call a natural disaster. There are two types of earthquakes: convergent boundary, divergent boundary, and transform fault. In convergent boundary, one plate is forced over another plate during an earthquake, which is called a thrust fault. Many hills and mountains are formed due to this. In this divergent boundary, the plates are drifted apart from each other and forming a drift zone. This kind gives birth to little ocean floors. Lastly, in transform fault, the plates slip by each other, and this is called a strike slip. These articles were the definition of the earthquake. Now, I want to give the best example in Turkey. The earthquake that happens in 6th of February 2023. This earthquake has happened in 10 cities, which is a really big number for a city. This earthquake has caused a damage 350,000 square kilometers, which is in nearly equals to total area of Germany. With so much damage, a total of nearly 54,000 people lost their lives, which is more than some of the country popularity. This earthquake has affected all of the Turkey. As we know, the most of the earthquake victims were migrated to other parts of Turkey. What about who wants to stay in their hometown? Of course, the government didn't leave them homeless in the middle of the winter. They donated containers houses to shelter for every single family. Yes, it's a good donation, but do you think it's enough? I think the answer is no. In the cold months of winter, people barely kept warm with the clothes they took from the donations and stores in containers, but the summer won't be the same. So how can we help the earthquake victims? First of all, we can start by the basic donations like clothes, foods, and water. And also clothes. Oh wait, I say that, I'm so sorry. Secondly, due to the warming weather in Turkey these days, we can donate solar-powered cooling fan. The trauma of earthquake is really hard to get over. So me and my captain Ceren came up with an idea of correspondence that people can tell about their traumas with anonymously to each other as folks. After all, sadness and fear will be decreased as they are. Thank you for listening.